Hello, and welcome to the setup of the Restora chair. In this video, we are going to walk you through the step-by-step assembly of setting up your new premium massage chair. When your chair arrives, it is going to be in one large box. Once you have cut away the straps, free the top of the box by pushing in and up on the short ends of the box. Then lift straight up and set aside. Soliciting help will make this process easier. Now, let's remove the protective packaging surrounding the chair. Next, remove the accessory box and set aside. In the accessory box, we have one power cord, the remote control, 2 wooden armrests, 2 metal brackets, 8 short screws, 8 longer screws, a hex wrench, 4 felt pads, 2 spare fuses, the assembly guide, the quick start guide, the user manual, and lastly, the warranty card. Don't forget to register your warranty. Once you have uncovered the main body of the chair, remove the plastic wrapping. This next step will require a partner to help lift the chair up and out of the tray. Using your knees to protect your back, carefully lift the chair and then gently lower it into place. Next, in the accessory box, locate and take out one of the metal brackets and place it on the left chair arm. Position the bracket so the 4 closely grouped screw hole wells are facing up and towards the inside of the chair. Now, using 4 long screws and the hex wrench, attach the metal bracket to the side of the chair arm. Be sure to screw all 4 screws in by hand first, then tighten with the Allen wrench. Repeat this to the other side. Next, locate and take out one of the wooden armrests along with 4 short screws. Place the armrest on the left armchair bracket and align it with the screw holes. Now insert the 4 short screws and tighten with the Allen wrench. Repeat this to the other side. Next, remove the remote control from the accessory box. To familiarize yourself with the tablet controller, use your phone to scan the QR code printed on the tablet screen film packaging. This will take you to the Infinity website, where you can watch a video tutorial on all the tablet controller features and functions of your new premium massage chair. Scroll down the page to find the Restora chair controller tutorial. Now place the back side of the remote underneath the left armrest. There are magnets on the remote that will hold it in place. Now attach the remote plug into the lower back receiver on the back side of the chair. Be sure to align the key and pins, then gently push in. Screw the fastener ring to secure the connection. Next, locate and connect the chair's power cord into a grounded electrical outlet. Then plug the other end into the corresponding port on the backside of the base of the chair. Flip the main power switch on. The chair will now automatically incline into an upright position. Once finished, power on the chair by pressing the power button located on the remote. Then run an auto program to ensure the chair is working properly. If the chair is working properly, feel free to take a seat and relax. Enjoy your new Restora Chair Premium Massage Chair, and thank you for being a part of the Infinity family.